Hi guys, welcome to Food Fantasy World. Today we are making chicken sutriya, Indian traditional pasta. Oil 2 tablespoon, whole spices, chopped onion 1 cup, saute for 2 minutes on medium heat. Ginger garlic paste 1 tablespoon, tomato chopped half cup, chicken boneless 250 grams, salt as per taste, red chilli powder 1 tablespoon, turmeric powder half tablespoon. Close the lid, cook on medium heat for 5 minutes. Sutriya 250 grams. Add Maggi masala, mix everything. Maggi masala 1 tablespoon, optional. Cook on medium heat for 5 minutes. Water 1 cup. Close the lid. Cook on medium heat for 5 minutes. Coriander on top. If you guys like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Please press bell icon whenever I upload new video, get notified. Thanks for watching. See ya. Bye.